Ladies and gentlemen, family and friends, one of the most talented and beautiful families here in this 808 state. Give it up for Kapena!
Thank you guys so much, you guys. And again, thank you to my sister Melvin. Love her so much. And to Uilani. Thank you guys so much for the hanahou. We are the easiest band in the state of Hawaii, ladies and gentlemen. You guys know even the whole hanahou just hot and we back. Mahalo. You know, before we go, we're going to call up all the hula dancers. We get plenty of hula dancers over here. We get Nick over there, Nick Lum, we got Zach, we have Uilani. We even have Shannon Scott over here, ladies and gentlemen. So we're going to do one hula, the kind of ohana kind hula, okay? So if you guys know this song, Uluwehi O Ke Kai, we'd like you guys come up because you guys all made in Hawaii, yeah? So we're going, we're proud. So come, Uilani, come, baby, come, Nick, come on, brother. Come on, you guys. Nick them, they performed a little bit earlier, and Shannon Scott. I know you're in deep conversation over there, Shannon, but could you come over here, brother, and dance a hula for us, please? How about a nice hand for Shannon over here, everybody? Yeah, come, brother. Come, you guys, come. We're gonna have them come up on the stage and share some aloha with us. How about you, Aaron? Not today. Oh, so I need Laya. Come, Shani, right over here, bro, on the front. We're going to do Uluwehi O Ke Kai. You know that one, bro. You know, come on. Okay, come, we'll do another one. You can fake them. Come, you guys, come. Oh, you guys like dance on the floor? Okay, you can dance on the floor. Okay, come, Shannon. We're going to put Shannon on the stage, just here, okay? Come, if you get some more hula dancers, just come up. You guys will do Uluwehi O Ke Kai. Once again, thank you so much for joining us here at Made in Hawaii. All right, and if we do have more hula dancers, please come up, okay? Here's one going out to all of you guys. Once again, mahalo to all of you. How about a nice hand for all of our volunteer dancers over here, guys? Thank you. Mahalo. Here's one that goes in this. Ladies and gentlemen, what a nice hand for our gang over here. Once again, aloha to all of you, everybody. We call ourselves Kapena. Love you guys. God bless. Thank you, Sam. Thank you, Nick. Beautiful job, boys.
Ladies and gentlemen, nice round of applause for Kapena!